name's Dorothy and I'm putting together the final touches of my outfit for tonight. I'm going dancing. That's exciting. Just like any other time, going out in wartime is just as much fun. Everybody needs to enjoy themselves now and again, don't they? So sometimes I like to go to the flicks, the pictures, the cinema. And sometimes I like to go dancing. And tonight I've set my hair. I hope it'll stay in with all those pins. I've got my best new outfit on, which is actually a really old outfit that I've re-sewn and made nice. And I've even put some makeup on. Makeup's quite hard to get hold of in wartime, so we have to be really sparing with it. But I know women who use all sorts of things instead of makeup. Beetroot, ash out the fire, boot polish. I'd rather just hang fire and use it less often and use the real thing. This lipstick I've had for years and years and years. But a bit of lipstick goes a long way and makes you feel like a new woman. How's that? Looking good makes a difference for morale, and going out and enjoying yourself is really good fun. I'm going out with my new friend, who's a GI, one of those American soldiers. They've just come into the area. They've caused quite a fuss with the local women. They've got lots of confidence, they've got quite a lot of money in their pocket, and therefore they can bring all sorts of gifts and exciting treats for us girls. My new friend bought me a tin of pineapple chunks last week. I've never known the like. My best friends are all terribly jealous. I'm not going to eat them yet. I'm saving them for a very, very special occasion. Maybe an end of the war. But tonight he's going to take me dancing and show me some of those new dances that the Americans do, like the jitterbug. So I'm going to go out and meet him because he should be here any minute. Bye bye.